What's up guys, welcome back to the next video in learning our language. My name is QTS Dani and you guys watching my channel Corio. Alright, so in this video we're gonna discuss vector indexing in R. So I just let you guys know that because I put it at the first, vector indexing starts at 1. As C, C++, C Sharp, you guys see that the vector indexing starts at 0. So 0, 1, or especially C, C++, Java, PHP, C Sharp, they're all family of C languages, and it starts at 0, but with the R, just letting you guys know it starts at 1. So it's not starting at 0. Say for example, if you guys got a X vector, for example, and it's got a say, okay, so I'm going to say X vec. So this one's got a how many elements? It's got a 1, it's got a 2, it's got a 3, 4, 5. So it's got a 5 elements. Alright, so if you come here and see X vector, if you guys see here, it starts at 1 to 5. So if, for example, if you guys want to say the element of 1, and you guys see his 1, normally with the C, C++, you guys need to put a 0 and the 1 pops up, but because we put a 1 and 1's popped up, so you guys can check the vector of say 3 popped up. So it's a lot easier instead of me typing say 100, 200 or very complex numbers. So you guys see here the vector number, that's how we're going to represent here, and we put it out here that you guys needs to use the brackets to find the vector location index, which index is that. So if you guys look at here the vector indexing, that's how it works in R. You guys use this bracket. Now we're going to see slicing. So how we're going to slice that one, say we're going to say we're gonna slice it to 1 and 2, and you guys see here we have sliced 1, 2, so you guys can do it 1 and 5, and you guys see here it shows from all the way from 1 to 5 because we have 5 elements. But you guys need to, if you guys wanna, and you guys need to do say 7, 9, 10, and you guys, now we have X vec which is 10, and now you guys can do, if you guys could do from 1 to 7, and if you guys do all the way here, because that's 6, 7 and 8, that one, that's how it showed up. But if you guys can do if you guys want to find out further, you guys can find out further as well. Alright, so now we have y vector, so we're going to increase our vector all the way to 10, and we're going to put one more. Say we put a 20 and we put a 30, so we're going to find out bracket. We're going to put a bracket, and we put a bracket. From the bracket we want to find out the number 5 and number 7, from 5 to 7. And if you guys look at here, 5 to 7 is this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is number 7, which is 9. And you guys see here number 7. So if you guys find out further, say from 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, we put a 9 here, and that's how it works. It counts from the 5 till 9th of. So if you guys want to do from say 2, it shows up all the way from the 2. You guys count from the 2 all the way to whatever you guys put the end here. So you guys need to put the end here. Say we have another vector. Say I'm gonna put a y vec. So y vector, and I'm gonna put a combine. Say we put a say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50. All right, so now if you put a y vector, and you guys see here that it shows from 1 all the way to 50. So if you guys, for example, if you put a y vec and you guys want to find further from 5, say till 10, we start from the 5 till 10. If you guys look at here, it counts from 5 all the way to 10. That's how the vector slicing works. That's how we're gonna slice this vector from 5 to 10. If you guys need this one sliced, it's like a piece of cake or a pizza slice. You guys cut it, say cut it from here, but you guys don't need the rest. You don't need from the left side or right side, but you guys look in the middle. So if you guys look and say from 7 to 10, if you guys want this slice, you guys can do that. So that slice, if you guys look at here, that's 7 to 10. And if you guys look at here, we have sliced our vector. You guys can do this, and you can actually combine your vector too, but you guys needs to put an equal amount of numbers here. So if you guys gonna put it from 1 to 5, for example, because it's a lot easier. And if you guys put a names, which is inbuilt function in R, as we have already explained these names in R. So if you guys put a y vec, and you guys assign say apple, and put a banana, and put a mango, and put a peach, and put a strawberry. All right. Okay, so okay, we have forgot to put our combine. Okay, so now if we put a y vec and look at here, the apples number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, and number 5 strawberry. So that's how you guys look at here. We have combined this the first one and the second one. So how about if you want to find the location of this y vec? Say we want to find the location of number 2 is banana, which is number 2. So how about if you want to find the index of say 5, which is strawberry, number 5? You guys can so how about if you want to find the location of say apple, the other way around, and you guys see that apple's 1. And how about if you guys want to find out the mango? Where's the mango? Keep in mind that we have a very small list, and mango is 3. Keep in mind we have very small list. Imagine if you guys coming in R, and if you guys doing if you guys list with the thousands. So these functions are very useful if you guys got a list with the thousands, or if you guys got a rows and columns and humongous rows and columns, and it's very complicated. So it's very useful if you guys use these functions, because we have only 5 elements here. That's why it's very easy for us. You guys already know that's a 3 or that's a 4. Say if you guys want to find out the peach, and peach is number 4. So you guys can do this. So you guys can repeat your vectors. So I'm gonna show you guys. Say if you guys got a y vec, and if you guys look at here names, we have done with the names. So if we're gonna create another one, so we're gonna create z vector. All right, so z vector is got a say got an apple, and it's got a banana. All right, so now it's got a apple and banana, Now we want to repeat with the rep function. So if you put a rep, and you guys look at here, this inbuilt function, so we gonna how many times you guys want to repeat, and say if you guys want to repeat once, if you guys want to 1 2, and I'm going to show you guys times. We're going to use times as well. How many times you guys want to repeat? 2 times. Okay, so if you guys put a z vector, and if you guys look at here, 1 2 3 4. So how about we want to put this 1 2 2 and 1. How about that? And instead of this, we put a repeat 4 times, and we put a zvec. And if you look at here, apple banana, and if you look at here, apple banana twice, thrice, and 4 times. So that's how it repeats itself. Okay, so it looks like we have a typo here. That's what we're getting, funny numbers. Okay, so I'm gonna come down here, and I'm gonna remove one of them. Okay, so we have here, and I'm gonna remove this one from here. So now it's okay. Okay, now it's zvec. Okay, so that's what I was getting, this NA, because I was so you have to combine here, and inside the vector we have to do our use our repeat function. So if you guys look at here, repeat, so if you guys come here and say 1 or 2 1 2 2 times, and you guys need to put this one too. And if you put a zvec, and you guys look at here, apple banana and apple banana, it repeats 2 times. So that's how we gonna do another one with the slicing, vector slicing. So if you guys look at here, we can slice our vector into whatever amount of index we want, and here with the help of this here inside, repeat. That's how we're going to repeat. You guys want to repeat 2 times, or you guys want to repeat how many times you guys want to repeat. All right, so now here is zvec. We have where is that? Okay, so now we have a voivec, and we have assigned voivec to apple, banana, mango. How about if we gonna assign this one voivec? If you look at a voivec, and you guys look at here, apple, banana, mango, strawberry. So how about if you guys want to have lunchtime, for example, or if you guys want a snack time? So we put a snack. What do you guys want for your snack? So we put a voivec. Okay, so in a voivec, we want that we want the banana and mango. We want the banana and we want mango, for example. So it says banana, incorrect number of dimensions. We forgot to, or I'm gonna put it inside the, we have to put inside the C, combine. You should put a banana and mango. Okay, so we put a snake, and if you look at here, banana and mango, it's exactly the same effect as that one. So if you guys look at here, we have slice again, banana and mango, or you guys can do the other way around. You guys can do 2 and 3. Say if you put a 2 and 3, and if you put a snake, and you guys gonna see this if you look at here, the one here and the one here is exactly the same. We have the same result. So if you, what about if you guys want to use the different one, say want to use from 1 to 3, so we can use this one as well. And you guys look at here, we have sliced further. So there are 3 ways you guys can do this way. We have assigned this void vec, we have created vector, which is it's got a apple, banana, mango, peach, strawberry, and we have assigned to names. Sorry, we had from 1 to 5 we have assigned to names, and we have all these names here. And now we have sliced it, we want the 2 elements here, we can index the 2, and now we put actually the numerics here. We have shown the same result, and now we have sliced it, and we've got the same result. So you guys look at here, they all work the same as long as you guys got vectors here. So your indexing works with the logicals as well. So we come here, we see xvec. Okay, the last one, which is we're gonna look at here, the logical ones and inbuilt functions ones. So we have xvec. Sorry for the typo. Okay, so it has from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so it's from 1 to 10. You guys can do from 1 to 10, that's fine. Alright, so we can do xvec is greater than 2. Okay, so you guys can use your logical operators here as well with your vector slicing, indexing. You guys can actually look at here, is it greater than 2? The first one is false, it is true, because these 2 conditions is false, and the rest is all true because they're all greater than 2. So if you guys can do greater than 3, and you can see that the 3 ones gonna be false and the rest gonna be true. So if you guys gonna say 330, and you guys gonna be all of them false because none of them's greater than 30. They're all less than 30. Alright, so we can use our NA as well. So we can use our actually Y, and now we put x vector, and x vector we're gonna put it inside. Have we got is dot NA? Have we got any NA number? So xvec. Okay, so I'm keep typing this one xvex. I don't know why. So it's numeric 0. How about if we put it not NA? And if you look at Y, they all look number. So if you guys look at here, we all have a number here. So I'm going to put a 1 NA. Alright, so you guys can put this not is NA xvec, so you guys can check this one as well. So far we have discussed our vector indexing in R. So, and we said that it starts at 1, keep in mind, and we use bracket. And if you guys look at here, we have demonstrated x vector, then we put a 3, and then we have put our vectors here inside our vector inside the index. So we have sliced it 1 and 2, and you guys look at here, that's how the slicing works. And if you guys look at here, we have used character string. If you guys look at here, we have used the character string, we have used the inbuilt function names, and we have combined these two, we have mixed. And you guys look at here, then we used how we're gonna look at the indexing positions of each of them. So you guys look at here, then we saw that even though we put a number or we put a literal string. We put anything as long as that object is there, as that element is there, is going to show up. And if you guys look at here, then we use the logical here, our logical operators here. So we use our logical operators. If you guys look at here, our logical operator, we can use our logical operator inside our vector indexing. So we have used our logical operator, and lastly we have used the inbuilt function, which is not an a, not a number. So that's how we use the vector indexing in R. Alright guys, that's it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video, and bye.